Hey everyone, welcome to week 2 of the course. Just wanted to make another quick video kind of describing what we'll be doing for the week and give my feedback on last week, which I think went really well. I'm watching everyone's Flipgrids, and if you haven't seen your classmates' Flipgrid videos, please go back and watch them and kind of get antiquated with who you're in class with. Everybody seems really excited for the class, and I'm learning a lot about everyone's kind of intuition towards technology and against technology, which was really fun to watch. So please go back and watch your classmates' Flipgrids. So for this week, we will kind of go through a few different things. The first thing is the research lab that I'm affiliated with. The Learning Informatics Lab is actually running a study that I'm leading called iLearn. So if you're interested in participating in that study, it's not a part of the course or anything, but if you're interested, please let me know through email. It's about a 45-minute study where you'll be playing around with an app and you'll get a $10 Amazon gift card. The second thing is the assignment this week requires that you have a web extension called Hypothesis, which is basically a social annotation app, which allows us all to collectively go through an article and make comments and discuss key concepts and themes in the article. I'll demo that in a second, but a few things about that is you will need Google Chrome to use Hypothesis, and when you're creating an account, please use a recognizable username. So first name, last name. If that isn't available, use an _1, _2. So the reason it should be recognizable is so that your classmates know who you are and I know who you are, so that I can give you credit for the assignment. And the assignment is that you will be reading this article called Famine, Affluence, and Morality by Peter Singer, which is basically a classic piece of moral philosophy and kind of gets us into the mindset to start talking about issues of ethics and morality at scale. And I'll go through this in a second here. And that's due, similar to last week, midnight the Tuesday before class. I'll ask you to make one comment on something you find interesting in the article and reply to one of your classmates' comments as well. Oh yeah, and please, when you're using Hypothesis, make sure that you are in the proper annotation view. So there's public and then there's the private class one. Please annotate in the private class one. So here's Hypothesis. You'll be able to click through the link, create an account, and as I said before, please use a recognizable username. The articles that we have assigned for this week will show up as a PDF, and you will visit the annotations and context. And please, again, make sure that you are in the proper class session, not the public view. And once you are all set up that way, you'll be able to go through and annotate parts of the article and make a comment about something you find interesting in the article. And the way you reply to your classmates is through here. You click the reply button. That isn't the reply button. This is the reply button, and make a comment for or against something you found interesting in that person's comments. Quick note about your comments and replies. Please make sure that they're substantive. Don't just say agreed, exclamation point. If you want full credit for the assignment, please make a reasonably substantial, it doesn't have to be like a whole essay or anything like that, just like a paragraph outlining your argument and the points that you want to make about that specific idea in the article. So with that, I think that's everything we needed to cover this week. Yeah, so I think the class so far, everybody seems really on top of getting their assignments done, and I'm really excited to continue engaging with all of you throughout the semester. If you have any technical issues with Hypothesis, downloading Google Chrome, setting up anything, please reach out and let me know. And again, if you're interested in the research study, please let me know through email. And other than that, I'll see you all next week. Thank you. Bye.